Medicare options for Freddie.
No, not Freddie. Eddie.
醫療保險幾時開始失去咗初心？聯邦醫療保險優勢計劃公司幾時開始將利益放喺第一？其實唔應該係咁樣。
This medication isn't covered by your insurance.
難以應付，一頭霧水，
I was told it was covered.
Let's try that again. Freddie.
令人崩潰。
I really need this medication.
醫療保健同退休生活往往冇廣告中咁美好。其實醫療保險已經變咗質，其他計劃唔會同你講，但我哋會。我哋創立 Scan 健保計劃就係為咗守護你嘅健康，保持你嘅自主，以你為本，唔係為利。我哋會堅持到底，直到你擁有你真正需要嘅保障，你應得嘅保障。Scan 為你而創，以你為本。